walking down this empty road. Footsteps echo, but I'm alone. The memories haunt me like a ghost. Whispers of love now turn to stone. You were the light in my darkest night. Now I'm drowning in the quiet. I'm lost in the rain, calling your name, but the wind just carries it away. Tears on my face, a love I can't replace, fading like the stars at break of day. I reach for you in my dreams. The morning comes and you're not here. Your voice still lingers in the breeze, a melody I can't unhear. You were the light in my darkest night. Now I'm drowning in the quiet. Now I'm drowning in the quiet. You were the light in my darkest night. Now I'm drowning in the quiet. I'm lost in the rain, calling your name, but the wind just carries it away. Tears on my face, a love I can't replace, fading like the stars at break of day. Oh, I reach for you in my dreams. The morning comes and you're not here. Your voice still lingers in the breeze, a melody I can't unhear. You were the fire in my winter cold. Now the ashes turn to snow, to snow. I'm lost in the rain, calling your name, but the wind just carries it away. Tears on my face, a love I can't replace, fading like the stars at break of day. If I could turn back time, I'd hold you close, never say goodbye. But all that's left is a broken rhyme and echoes of a love gone by. So I'll walk this road alone, under skies forever gray. With every drop that hits my skin, I feel you slip away.